Hey guys, welcome back. So we have another meal for Brandon. This is going to be the last one of the week, so he will show you what he's bringing. All right, so what do we have here?
We have them cheese, the balls, them cheese, and them oranges in the nut bar.
Look, we also have.
And the one right there, and it like that.
Okay, so we have his yum box here. Turkey and cheese roll-ups here, and then we have some Baby Bell cheese, some oranges, and inside I did a little trick of putting his vitamins inside for his dessert. And then we have here thermos, so I took the lid off already, and inside
There's some pesto pasta.
pesto pasta. So we have pesto pasta. He chose elbow macaroni, so that's what we went with. Pesto sauce, and then I put some extra peas in there to have some vegetables for him today. So that is what he's bringing. He has his water here as well, and we will see what he eats by the end of the day. Oh, actually, he also chose this wacky fact and laugh sheet today. So wacky fact: soccer is called football in almost every country in the world except the U.S. and Canada. And what's the laugh say?
What are the wooden table basketball? 3,000 loud.
Basketball?
I'm a football.
What are the rules in zebra baseball? And the answer is 3 stripes and you're out. All right, so this is what he's bringing to school today, so we will catch you guys later. Bye.
Bye.